Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start here, connect your iPhone to the car via USB or Bluetooth, then unlock the phone and open Carplay. Once connected, make sure iOS and the app versions are updated so widgets show. Next, tap and hold an empty area on the Carplay home screen to enter edit mode. This reveals widgets and app tiles. As you do this, note available widget sizes and see previews. This matters because widget space is limited and layout choices affect visibility while driving. Once in edit mode, tap the plus icon to browse available widgets and their sizes. You can preview small, medium, or wide options. Choose based on how often you'll glance at them. Drag your preferred widgets into place, putting navigation, music, or calendar where they're easiest to reach. This reduces distraction. Make sure to mix compact glance widgets with one detailed widget for quick controls. When satisfied, press Done or Home. Carplay remembers layout per car, so you don't need to repeat often. You finish by customizing widget content and testing them while parked. Open each widget to confirm live data, shortcuts, and controls respond. If a widget shows blank or outdated info, check the corresponding iPhone app settings and permit Carplay access. Once done, test voice input and physical controls to ensure safe use. If things go wrong, reconnect the USB cable, toggle Bluetooth, or restart both the iPhone and car infotainment. This simple sequence resolves most connection and display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.